best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you amazing luxury house with my friend, brother, Mr. Hakan.
Assalamu alaikum everybody.
So today we will explain you everything about these properties. It's gonna be an amazing tour. So please watch the video till the end. The name of this region is Kocaeli, and the project which we are going to show you today is really amazing, luxury and elegant.
Definitely. And if you are interested to buy something brand new and luxury within modern nature, this project can be very suitable choice for you.
When we are going to show you a sample house, your minds will blow up. It's a really beautiful house.
We are not exaggerating.
Yes.
Just watch the video please, step by step. Okay. Alright, what we have general specification for this beautiful project, we have 37,000 square meters project area. There are 8 attached block and 501 luxury apartments are rising up.
Some of these apartments on the roof floor, they also have swimming pool.
I want to mention about what kind of social abilities we have inside the compound. We have coffee shop, indoor and outdoor swimming pool, sauna, Turkish bath. Can you imagine in your apartments you have your own private swimming pool? I want to get attention about the variation of the apartments. The smallest one is including 1 room plus 1 living room, which is starting from the 87 square meters, and the biggest one
Biggest one is 4+1, and the area of the biggest one is 465 square meters.
Definitely, we are talking about the huge properties.
Okay, now we are gonna show you a sample house, and look at the entrance. It's so huge.
I'm 174 centimeters and look.
It's really big. Yeah.
It's really big and it is standard size for this project.
Let's
Welcome
go
to
inside. Bismillah.
Bismillah tawakkaltu Allah.
Dun, dun, dun.
If you are interested in something special design, we can give support in this case too. And this property is such a good sample in this case too. You can have a look the inside of the cabinets. All the materials are, I can say it easily,
High quality.
high quality, definitely.
Quality. Everything is just really clean, nice. The concept is really beautiful.
Definitely.
This section is the living room section of this house. This apartment is 2+1.
Within 100 square meters, this is just sample. These are the special design for the sample house. In normal apartment, these items are not including.
The theme of this house is golden. And golden and black.
Golden house.
Yeah,
golden
which
house.
looks like a king, you know, you feel like a king when you're living in such house.
And when we reach this section of look at that artistic kitchen. Oh my god.
And the quality I can...
Very high. Very high. Each material are the high quality and design of the properties modern. The construction company is providing the refrigerator, oven, not microwave. Microwave is the sample, and dishwasher. And this is the brand of the Bosch. It's Deutsche brand, one of the most reliable electronic device for kitchen. And also look at that stovetop. This is iron, very heavy. Design is very artistic and cool. Some properties you are able to choose sauna or Turkish bath. I think we are gonna have a look at a sample over here. One section is separated for the sauna. If you are interested to put your own private sauna or Turkish bath is like that. You can choose one of them to your apartments. These choices are available for 3 rooms plus 1 living room and 4 rooms plus 1 living room. This is a storage area. This is the storage area. Heights of the ceilings of the doors are so high. It is such a trick, but it's a really cool trick. It makes that kind of designs, that kind of tricks makes the interior living area much more spacious.
The doors are also really high quality.
Brother, we are in luxury,
first
luxury concept.
First class. And even in the rooms you can see they are using the LED lighting system. Looks like the house is really big, and it is actually. And also you can see these touches, or everything is golden or black. And this is the master room. So this master room is already big, and in the master room you also have a dressing, big place for dressing. You can put all your extra things here. You can dress up. Dressing room, not dressing cabinet. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this whole tour. It was amazing. Everything, the details, the concept was super nice. So please comment below how is your feedback. And if you want to know the price details, it will be written in the description of the video. And one more thing, these houses are not ready yet. It's under construction.
Yeah.
It will be delivered in July 2023.
That's true.
Which means you can buy under construction, and there is a possibility of installments.
Definitely.
Definitely.
So for more information and catching this opportunity for this project, you can directly contact with us. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 00905322078634.
Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channels, and also press the bell icon so you don't forget to watch our next videos. So take care, Shor out.